Hello, everyone. I hope you guys are doing well. I wanted to bring you some information on how you can receive a credit builder Visa Visa secured credit card, and this requires no credit history and no credit check. Bad credit for this card is okay, and it is a secured credit card through Chime. Now, if you like this kind of information, you're looking to build credit, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. With Chime, they have a secured Visa credit card. This allows you to build credit even if you have no credit history. Now, with this secured credit card, on average, they're saying that you will see an increase of 30 points with the secured card. There is no annual fees or interest, no credit check to apply, and no minimum security deposit. So, the way this card is going to work is quite simple with Chime, and they have a breakdown on how it works. So, what you would do is open a Chime spending account. So, what you would do, this is an online bank. You have to open an account, and then you will be able to transfer that money to the credit builder secured account on the amount of money that you want on this secured card. So then you will simply use your credit builder card wherever you go, almost like a debit card. So whatever your amount, if you buy or put $100 on a card, you buy $20 worth of product, then your limit will be $80, and you will be able to spend that until that $80 is spent out. So unlike traditional secured credit cards, where if you want a $250 credit line, you have to put a security deposit of $250 and then begin to use the card and won't be able to access that secured amount. Chime is different. You are actually accessing the amount of credit that you put in for the deposit, and then you can re it up and use that amount. So this is a cheaper way in order to have a secured card. Now, as you begin to spend your money, it gets paid down. So you don't have to worry about debts like with a credit card. And then when the balances are paid down, they report this good payment history to the three major credit bureaus. So it will help you build credit over time. This is a wonderful option to have this account, but there is a couple of caveats. I will have the link in the description if you want to come here and apply for the card. One of the caveats that you will have to understand, this can be good and bad, because this is a secured card and they're letting you pay it down. When they report to the credit bureaus, it will not report any utilization. So with this, if you need utilization to help you build credit, if that is something that you're missing on your credit report, this will not report utilization. But if you are a person that already have a massive amount of debt that's connected with some other credit cards, this is a positive for you, because you would not get the negative part of the high utilization being reported against you or added to with this secured card. But they will report the payment history on the card, which will be positive. Another positive part, you don't have to worry about overspending on this limit. So it will constantly be paid on time, because they will not let you spend over the amount that you have deposited for that secured card account. Now, the one thing that you will have to do with Chime is not only open an initial checking a savings account so you can get access to the Chime's spending account, you will have to have a minimum of a $200 direct deposit going in to your Chime spending account every month so you can access this secured credit card. But it is a great option for those who need to build credit and don't want the negative effects of a hard inquiry pull. And you can build positive credit, especially if you already have a trouble late payment history. This can help you add on positive payments. So I hope this is good information for you. If you do have problem credit, we do offer you free hard inquiry removal letters at our website. The details will be in the links in the description below. And we also have credit improvement packages such as dispute letters for the credit bureaus, hard inquiry removal free letters, and also collection removal letters. So if you want that, please feel free to check out that information in the description. I also included the link to this website in this the subscription also. So if you have any questions or comments, please put it in the video below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. And if you have any ideas of upcoming content that you would like to know on how to build and increase your credit, please include it in the details in the comments. Thank you and enjoy the rest of your day.